Did you know holding in a sneeze can actually rupture something inside you? When a sneeze builds, your body pressurizes like a sealed pipe. Airflow can reach 100 miles per hour. Blocking that force doesn't make it disappear, it redirects inward. That pressure can tear blood vessels in your throat. It can damage the tiny vessels in your eyes. In rare cases, it reaches the brain. In 2018, a man in the UK held in a sneeze and tore his throat open. Your body designed this reflex for a reason. Let it go.